People. No, this is Scotty calling, And I am calling all the people of the land to get on the salvation train before it is too late. And all I want you to do right now is to get up on the track, as I would compel you. And I would never really beg you, Now listen. Kingston, St. Catherine, Clarendon, Manchester, Westmoreland, St. James, Trelawney, St. Anne. Where you get up for? Sit down and pass your seatbelt, dread. Wow, baby, let go. Now you got to listen, all you people. Portland, St. Thomas, St. Andrew, St. Mary, Trelawney, St. Anne, Manchester, Westmoreland. You don't need no milk and you don't need no rice. We have Brother Moses to give you advice. Whop it on the train and I will tell you. Now did you hear that? You don't need no beer and you don't need no stout. The milk and the honey wine really the boat. Whop it! People, watch your foot, Dread, watch your foot. I man don't want you fall out of this train, don't you know that? Hang on tight. I will tell you, cause everything is gonna really be uptight. Whop it on the top, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time, 6 time. Kingston, St. Catherine, Clarendon, St. James. On the track, cause I will build you. Rock it, baby, chuck it up, chuck it up. What? A dog on the train now, who is to blame? Chuck it out, chuck it out. Now listen to this, I've never seen this, As I would say, first it was a dog, now it is a goat. The next thing I know, I will soon start to float one time. As I would tell you, now you got to listen keenly with ears, Trelawney, Westmoreland, Portland, St. Mary, St. Mary, St. Mary, St. Mary. If you got to be cheap, as I will tell you, check it out, Jack. Heel dreadlocks. Watch your foot, mother, you alright? It's me, son. As I will tell it to you, check it out. The salvation train has got to ride on, don't you know?